Princess Jen. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hey YouTube, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how important the rain is to us and how we use it. The rain is beating the papaya tree.
To those that don't know,
This could be considered step 1. First, we screw some spouting to the roof.
That you can use it for the water to go down into the cistern. We're losing some water here, but that's okay. That's it. That's how we use it down here in the Caribbean.
I'm going to uncover my cistern so you can see what it looks like. Oh, that means a lot of rain fell last night. So this is the cistern. Here in the water. This is step 2. That is the cistern that you're hearing the noise from. So when it rains, the rain falls on the roof, it goes into the spouting and then it goes into the cistern. You can almost touch the water, so that means the cistern is getting lots of water from the rain. Thank God for the rain. Okay, I'm going to cover the cistern again. That's it, that's the cistern. So lots of people have been asking me, step 3, what is a pump? This is what the pump looks like. As you could see, it has a meter gauge here, and then you have a tank where the water goes in to supply the pump with the water, and then you have some PVC pipes that goes to the cistern. So you could see there, and you have valves that connects it. Then from that, you have other PVC pipes that is set up that sends the water to the house. So this is it here. This is what it's all about. Thanks for watching.